Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sunsprint. Hope you all are doing good. So today we will learn about another powerful Excel function that's called match and index. So these match and index functions help in searching for values and retrieving data efficiently. Many people, even I, use VLOOKUP as well, but index plus match is more flexible and powerful. So let's see how they work together with an example. But before jumping on that, if you haven't subscribed Sunsprint, please subscribe. I will be very thankful for that. And I want to share one another thing. I make the videos regularly now. If you want me to make any particular video, please comment down below. I will be happy for that as well. So I do have this data with me. So this is very simple data, easy to understand for us. So in this data I do have apples, like the fruit names and then the price for those fruits, right? So let's start with match function. So equal to match. So match, what match does, match function helps to find the position of a value in a row or column, right? So match, now it's asking the lookup value. Lookup value is the value we want to find, and then the lookup array, this is the range where we are searching for the value, and then the match type. So a match type, it can be like 1. So 1 we use to find the largest value less than or equal to the lookup value, right? If we use 0, then it means find the exact match. If we use -1, it means find the smallest value greater than or equal to the lookup value. But we are going to find the exact match, right? So we are using 0 here. Now it's asking for the lookup value. So we are going to find, suppose we are going to find mango. So we have written mango here, right? And then comma, and then the range we are going to find from this array, right? So we have selected this one and we are going to find exact match. It means 0. So we need the exact match, so means 0. And then so the position for the mango is on 4th place. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So mango is on 4th place. So it has given us 4. So now let's jump on the index function. So the index function, returns the value from a table or range based on the row or column numbers, right? So this is the match. So let's write it down here, and then now we are going to work on index, right? So is equal to index. Now it's asking the array. Array means the range of data from which we want to retrieve a value. And then the second one, it's asking the row number in the array, and then the row column. So this is optional, the row column in the array. So this is optional, either it can be row or either it can be column, right? So in the same data range, we are using the same data set. So we want to find the price of the let's say the third product, right? That is orange. So index, right? So we are going to this from here, and then the third product we are going to write it down here. So it will give us the third product. It means this is of value for the orange is 75. Let's say we are going to find the price for passion fruit, that is on 7th place. So sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on 5th place, right? So we are going to change from 3 to 5. So it will give us 140. In that way you can use all of these. You can find the price for all of these, whatever the product range or the range we have selected, right? So now we are going to use how match and index functions work together. So let's combine these both functions. Instead of manually counting rows, we can use match inside index, right? So let's write index and match. So we are going to use, so we will know this is match and index together. So is equal to index, right? So this is our range, and then comma match. We are going to use match as well. Match, we are going to find, let's say, orange, right? And then from this one we need the exact match, let's say 0 and close. So it has given us the value for orange, which is 75, right? So how it worked? So how it worked, match orange from this range. 0 means find the position of orange in column A, that is which is on third place, and then index from C to from C3 to C9, right? And then on the third number of the product, so on the third number of the product, which is orange, right? So it's retrieving the value from column C, sorry. So a final output of the result is 75. Let's change this orange to, let's say, kiwi, right? Kiwi is, so the value for that one is 450, but here we have used the position of that product, but now we are going to use the name of the product. So if we want to make it dynamic, instead of typing like orange, kiwi, we can reference a cell as well. So let's say instead of kiwi, we are giving it a cell reference. So we have changed this one to, let's say, orange, right? And then it will come back to 75 because the value for orange is 75. So let's say we are going to give the another for grapes, which is B8. So let's select this one, and then it will give us 250 as well. So now, yeah, in this way we can use this match and index of function. So match, it means find the position of the value. Index retrieves a value from a specific position, right? So when we use match and index together, these both function, when we use together, is more powerful. This is the alternative of VLOOKUP, and it also searching in both direction, left or right. So yeah, try practicing at home. And then if you have any question, please let me know, and if you want to make me another video on any particular, any specific any specific topic, please let me know as well. I will be very thankful for that, and will be happy for that, to make that video. So thanks for now, and then see you again with a new video. Thanks, bye.